If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Motorola Moto G87, then in that case you want to open Settings. Now once you open Settings, in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and you need to go to Backup or Copy Data. In here we have Copy Data using Android Switch, and this is what we want to use. So let's go ahead and open this. There we go. In here tap on Start in the bottom right corner. And then we need to choose what is our old phone. So you can of course choose Android or iPhone or iPad. Now if you have the same Google account on your Motorola Moto G87 as on your previous phone, then you might immediately have this option over here, Copy Data to New Device. This is, I believe, based on the Google account. So if you have that prompt, you can just tap on Start to just skip and start transferring data. But let's pretend that this doesn't show up. So in this case, you can just simply choose Android device. And at least in my case, I'm going to choose Android device because I'm trying to transfer from another Android. And then we have this QR code, which we need to scan in order to begin the transfer. So let's go ahead and scan this QR code with our old phone. And then once you scan the QR code, you should be able to begin the setup. First, we need to make sure that both devices are connected, so wait for that to happen. There we go. Now we have also the option to copy apps and data, so we can just tap Next over here. And then we need to wait for both devices once again to connect. After that, you should be able to choose whatever you want to copy. So of course you can just select everything. And if not, you can go through all of these options and you can decide individually what should be transferred from your old phone to your Motorola Moto G87. And of course, once you are ready, just tap on Copy button over here in the bottom right corner and wait for the transfer to be done. Now keep in mind that the more data you want to transfer, the longer it's going to take to actually do so. And of course, if you want to, you can transfer data from your iPhone to Motorola Moto G87 as well. But in order to do so, you need to go to the App Store, and over here we need to search for Android Switch. This is a free app that we should be able to download very easily from the App Store. Of course, once you have it, you want to open it. On our Motorola, we want to choose that we want to transfer from iPhone or iPad. Then wait a couple of seconds. Here, in the meantime, we're going to choose to copy data. You might also see a prompt to join a network, but most of the time it is an incorrect network, so I would recommend you choosing to cancel. And then you can tap Try Again in order to be able to scan a QR code, which is going to be needed again. So here we're going to tap on Next, of course, and here we have an option to connect both devices using a cable. So you have a cable that fits both your Motorola and your iPhone, then of course you can use it. But you can also choose to this option over here, cable doesn't fit. And then you can decide to copy without cable. So you will try to do this wirelessly. And now we can scan this QR code. So let's go ahead and do so. And then confirm that you want to join the network. There we go. Now we just need to wait for both devices to connect again. In case the network, in case the iPhone didn't connect, then of course you can just keep trying again. And there we go. Now you should be able to choose what you want to transfer. You can choose almost everything. Although not everything can actually be transferred from iPhone to an Android, so of course you need to keep that in mind. For example, apps, they cannot be transferred. You will have to use the Play Store on Motorola to download your apps manually. But once you are ready, just tap on Continue, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.